Welcome to my second tutorial regarding Ansys software. I hope you have already completed watching my first tutorial, and I believe you enjoy my first tutorial. So a very short review on my research site, Artificial Intelligence for Structural Reliability. So let's start today's tutorial. So whenever you just open your Ansys, you will see such type of interface. So in today's tutorial, I wanna introduce you how to change the units. So it's a very important things whenever you start your new project. So for this, you will go through the top portion here. You can see units. So here you can see here there are various types of unit system here. So don't be confused by seeing these. Whenever I just work on these, I have created my own unit system, so that's why it has been shown here. But for you, such type of things it won't um, seen on your interface, so don't worry. So however, if you just wanna your SI system, so just click your SI system, check your SI unit system. You can see you will get your mass in mass, length is meter, time is second. Okay, so if you just for example you just want your unit system in metric, mass in kg, or length in millimeter, so you just check here, so you can see here. Okay, so if you just wanna to get the knowledge in a broad space, so you just click one unit system. So you see here another interface here. The left side you can update it, your unit system whatever you want, and the right side you see here several types of parameter, unit name, quantity name, and the unit. Okay, so for example if you just wanna your units in SI system, just click here. So you whenever you click your SI, you can see your length will be meter, mass in kg. So for example you wanna your mass in kg, but length it should be millimeter, so you should click here. So whenever you click here, you can easily observe in the right side you will get your length is millimeter, but mass it should be in kg. So for example whatever it has been already designated here, you don't need it. So for that cases you need to just you just wanna your own unit system, you know. So for this reason you just click on duplicate. So like me, um, you can just rename, for example venturing. So I have already completed the rename of my unit system. So for example I just wanna for angle it shouldn't be radian, it should be degree. So I just click on degree. I just wanna the length should be centimeter, and the mass it should be for example tone, time it should be hour. So you can whatever you need your quantity or parameter, whatever you need your unit, so you can easily update it. So after you're updating, after you're creating your own unit system, you just click on this three portion, and you can see here you can easily export whatever you have already created. So for example, you have just created your own unit system. So where we have already created, just click on this, and you just wanna see it by notepad. So you can see here whatever you have already made for your own project. Angle should be degree, length should be centimeter, mass it should be ton. So uh, it's a very simple thing, whatever you have done it. So whenever you have created your own unit system, so you can easily import. For example, just here you can easily import your like this. Okay, just open it, and already defined. So if it is not existed here, it will be easily if I just, for example, if I wanna delete the unit system, you just click uh, here and delete it. Okay, so I can easily delete it. So whatever I wanna show you, just I wanna import my arrays unit, just click on import, and you see here arrays and open. Okay, yeah, you can easily import it. Okay, so it was the tutorial for how to change the units. That will be very crucial whenever you start your project. So thank you very much for your patience, and obviously my expectation is keep watching my tutorials. Thank you very much.